Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the new Shallang C&RD block in West Khasi Hills in presence of MLA Jugur Mirthong. He also handed over the notification to the new BTO of Shallang C&RD block. The Chief Minister said that MDA government has initiated various programs for the welfare of the people and wants to ensure that public services should be accessible to the people. He said that West Khasi Hills had remained neglected for years, but MDA-led government has initiated different development programs in the district.
To work and perform as the block development officer, remember that you are not doing your duty out here, but you are here to serve the people of this area. Do it with passion. Do it with a vision that you are being able to make a difference in the people's lives.